With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello, the question says a uniform solid cylinder having a height L and diameter D is placed on a rough horizontal plank which is being pulled by horizontal with an acceleration. Find the maximum value of acceleration for which the cylinder remains in equilibrium. 4 option is given. We have to check which option is correct. Now we will draw a diagram. This is our diagram. The plank is being pulled by an acceleration, say A. The center of mass of the cylinder is here. There will be a mg downward force, a normal force which will be upward, and there will be, when the plank will move, there will be a pseudo force acting on the cylinder which will be ma, due to which there will be a friction which will act in this side, which is f. Now in this question we are assuming the plank as a frame of reference. So equating equations, we get F equal to ma. This is our equation first. Due to friction, there will be a torque about its center of mass, which is here, due to which normal reaction force shift from the center of mass. So our new free body diagram will look like that our n is shifted from center to sideways, that is here. Given the height of cylinder is L and the diameter is D, so distance from normal to center of mass will be D by 2. Now torque about center of mass is 0, so tau will be at center of mass equal to 0. Now calculating torque, we get F L by 2 minus mg d by 2 equal to 0. From equation 1 we can see that F equal to ma, so the equation will be, now calculating further, we get ma L by 2 equal to mg d by 2. M get cancelled, so acceleration will be gd and 2 will be cancelled upon L, so our acceleration will be gd upon L. So checking the options, we get the maximum value of acceleration for which cylinder remain in equilibrium will be option first, which is correct, gd by L. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.